Hello and Namaste. Welcome to the PG Mantra. Today we will learn about the equitable use of resources for sustainable lifestyle. This is the very big question. In the environmental studies, this question is very important because we all will know that resources have a limited stock on the earth and all the persons need it in daily routines. So we use the resources, हम जो भी रिसोर्सेज का यूज़ करते हैं उसका मैक्सिमम यूज़ हो सके वैसा हमें काम करना है ताकि हम कम क्वांटिटी के रिसोर्सेज को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा यूज़ कर सकें. Equitable use of resources is possible by reduce, reuse, recycle and refuse. These four were very important. These 4 R's show us that actual how to be equitable use of resources in our sustainable lifestyle. These 4 R's are very important and we remember it in every situation. First we understand the recycle. Recycle is what? Recycle means the things which we after use the things we recycle it or we process on it and make it as a new product. Paper, plastic, glass, etc. are recyclable products. एक क्वेश्चन आता है कि what can I recycle? Cardboards, papers, food boxes, mail, beverage cans, food cans, glass bottles, jars, jugs, plastic bottles and caps, etc. things where we have to recycle. After the use of things, we have to process on it and make new product and reuse it. According to definition, recycle is what? After the use of things, we have to recycle on it and then make it for reuse. ये ज़रूरी है. ये इंसान के लिए रिसाइकल cannot be possible, but at the resources we have to use this. Second is reduce. Reduce the things which is unnecessary. Composting organic waste, byproducts with minimal packaging, use reusable jute bags, use reusable containers, etc. In the simple words, we have to say that reduce means जो चीज़ों का हमें ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं करना है उनका यूज़ कम करें, उनके यूजेस की क्वांटिटी कम करें, which we say that reduce. The use of non-renewable resources is less. Save it for future. जब हम जानते हैं कि उसका अल्टरनेटिव अवेलेबल है तो हमें उसका यूज़ कम कर देना चाहिए. Let's understand third. Third is a refuse. The meaning of refuse is a decline. Refuse the things which harm the environment or which also harm the human body. I think we should decline the use of that things like air of wood. We use the wood to cook food. But the air of wood is very harmful to the human health, so we decline the use of wood for cook food. These things we have to understand. Here we understand. Decline the use of resources which we have a limited quantity or which harm the environment. We have to refuse it or not use it. Fourth is the reuse. Reuse is connected by recycle. Use the things which we recycled. That maximum use of things. Here some examples are available which we reuse, like plastic bottles, jars, containers, cloth binding and towel, newspaper, office paper, scrap paper, paper plastic bags, ग्लास बॉटल्स एंड जार्स. ये जो चीज़ें हैं इनका हम कहीं ना कहीं किसी ना किसी तरह से यूज़ कर सकते हैं. सो वी ट्राई, if the available we have to reuse the things, not to be wasted. These are the some products which we have to reuse or which we have to save it, which is helpful to the equitable use of resources. Equitable use of resources are possible by the some things. Use more renewable resources. Renewable resources have a more quantity, so we try to be use it. Control use of non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources have a limited quantity, so we try to be control the use of that resources, because it alternative are available. Third is apply government rules. Government creates some rules, so when we use the resources we have to apply it or accept the rules or follow it. Small change in technology. Sometimes we change the technology, it gonna be affect on resources. कभी कभी इसका अच्छा भी यूज़ होता है, तो हमें ऐसी जगह पे टेक्नोलॉजी को चेंज करना चाहिए. फिफ्थ इज रिड्यूस, रिसाइकल एंड रीयूज, which we understand the first. This is the main topic. I hope your concept will be clear by my thoughts, and make sure your all the queries are solved now. नेक्स्ट मैं किस टॉपिक पे वीडियो बनाऊँ वो मुझे कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना. ये वीडियो कैसा लगा ये भी ज़रूर बताना. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. Support for more videos.